In this video, we'll guide you through the process of customizing your league notifications in the Yahoo Sports app. Whether you're following your favorite team or keeping an eye on league updates, tailoring your notification settings ensures you stay informed without unnecessary distractions. First, open the Yahoo Sports app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the profile icon. Then, scroll down and tap on the Settings option. After that, choose Customize Notifications. Now, scroll down until you find My League Notifications and tap on it. Here, you'll see a list of all your leagues. Select the league for which you wish to receive notifications. Finally, adjust the notification settings for that league according to your preferences. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with others who might benefit. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful guides.